Yo, Word Pros, welcome to 1 Minute IT Shot. Want to convert Word to PDF on your laptop in 2025? This few-minute guide's super easy. Smash that like button and subscribe. Let's roll. Open the Word doc you want to convert. Hit the File tab in the top left corner, then click Save As. Pick your save location in the dialog box that pops up. Drop down the Save As type menu and select PDF. Tweak the quality if you want, or hit Options to choose specific pages, whole doc, or just a few. Click Save and boom, you've got a PDF copy of your Word file. Check your folder to see it in action. That's it, you're a PDF pro. Drop your favorite word trick in the comments. Oh, and don't forget, smash that like button and subscribe to 1 Minute It Shot for more. Peace out and keep creating.